Hello, and welcome to today's presentation. My name is Mitch, Crypto Music. I'm going to be going over Bitalium today, giving my thoughts, my feelings, and all that good stuff and what I think about it. I have kind of been won over by Bitalium. I know I've actually talked a little bit of smack about Bitalium in the past for having the 30% fee, but what happened is a good friend of mine kept bugging me to join, so I joined and didn't do anything for a good while. I just got the emails, and the emails kept coming in. I was pretty impressed, started watching some webinars, started wrapping my head around it all. Still didn't like that 30% going to the binary. I felt like it was very much a feed the whale opportunity, but the more I looked at it, the more impressed I got, and it's still great income, and it's still pretty fantastical, I am definitely very impressed with it, and it reminds me of this quote here that those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. George Bernard Shaw. And another quote I chose here is, the competitor to be feared is the one who never bothers about you at all, but goes on making his own business better all the time. Henry Ford. And it's very true. These guys just put their heads down. They fulfill roadmaps. They're knocking stuff out early. It just keeps getting better and better. They're, at first I thought they're kind of fly by the seat of their pants, but they're not. They're very well thought out, super deep. The presentations are really great. The Zoom meetings are really great, and I've certainly been won over. Who are we? In 2015, Sam Walsh. Let's take a look at this guy real quick. This is Sam Walsh right here. He is the CEO of Bitalium. Pretty nice fellow. English, probably not his first language, but certainly it seems like he's got his head on his shoulders, smart business mind, and knows how to run things. Our products took advantage of the growing popularity in virtual currencies and the Bitcoin price rally. It was time for brave people who were not afraid to risk. It was our time. We became witnesses of the world of finance entering in a new era. We quickly recognized that was not a time to talk. That was a time to act. Now we've realized that we've made a lot of great choices. Most of the risks we have taken have paid off. It's time to make another step and move up to a higher level. And we believe that the highest level for our business is to create a cryptocurrency exchange. There is a lot of competition in the market, but there is always a place for brave people like Bitalium. We are one small step from opening the best, most innovative community-based cryptocurrency exchange in the world. We are changing the world. It's not time to talk. It's still a time to act. Pretty cool. Our advantages: safe, trusted, legit, hybrid of binary and uni level. That's for the affiliate stuff. We are fully experienced, 5 years experience on the cryptocurrency markets. We have 2 groups of traders, and they're actually going for a 3rd group. New innovative strategies, investing in new technologies. And yeah, pretty cool. Here's their little trading situation. They have 2 different things, day trading and scalping trading. We'll go more over that in just a moment here. Annual summary, they're up 327% on the day trading and 431% on the scalp trading. And on the Zooms, which are extremely impressive, they show that they're showing different accounts every time. They might show their Bitfin account, they might show their BitThumb account or their Binance account, and they've got like hundreds of Bitcoin. Powerful back office with dozens of functionalities, access to buy, sell, and trade digital currency. That'll be cool. Packages, investment availability, our unilevel or binary structures dashboard, our trading results dashboard, the money management funds edition, withdrawals, user-to-user transfers, market library full of valuable assets, marketing library, continuously expanding educational modules, great prizes, and stuff like that. Office program to contact. Yeah, it's pretty cool. They have a little office program. Here is their timeline of what they're looking to do and their different projects. We're going to go over that over here just a little bit further in this presentation. Welcome to Bitalium. Let's build the biggest and best cryptocurrency exchange in the world. And I know a lot of people have said that. A lot of people have come up and tried to step up and do that. And some have done pretty well, but most have fallen on their faces. I think we're in a pretty good spot here. Project progress, 73%. Actually, we're a little farther along than that, because if you go to the back office here, it says we're now at 81% progress. So 71% was when they made this little presentation here. We just went through this. Who are we? Pretty much the same thing. And here's what I said. The project timeline is, it just is easier to read here than that up and down thing. So start a Bitalium exchange. They've already gone through all that. Start a Bitalium platform. That's there. Development of innovative business management app for leaders. They have that app released for the Bitalium token, which has been released, and the coin has gone up a little bit. Your packages can pay you out in either Bitalium tokens if you want to speculate and you think this thing's going to the moon, and I think it's got a pretty good chance, then you can certainly get some of your payments in Bitalium tokens, no problem. Start of the third group of traders, and this is the third thing they got going on, because we got the two groups of traders going on now, and they're now going to do a third group on cryptocurrency derivatives. Pretty cool. Placement of Bitalium token on various cryptocurrency wallets. We're not getting there yet. We're just right here. Implementation of a trading bot, Gilgamesh. Gilgamesh is like the name of, there's this thing called the Epic of Gilgamesh, which is super ancient. It's the oldest and most complete book written on stone tablets that has been translated. It's actually a pretty fantastic story. Anyway, moving on. Implementation of the Bitalium coin. Cool. Start of the Bitalium exchange. Heck yeah. Implementation of Bitalium payment cards. That will be a cool innovation in the future, and hopefully that happens. And it's a lot more people have paved the way, so it is a lot easier to do. You know, there's a lot of like CoinZoom, Crypto.com, Celsius Network, Hyperfund's got one. There's just a lot of different ways to go about getting your crypto in and out of stuff. And with Cash App, it's, you know, it's easy. Day trading. This is classic trading where their traders are open and closing transactions within one day. For example, they'll buy something and then maybe at the end of the close or 5 hours later, they'll change it. Scalping trading is much quicker. Trades happen quick. You're just skimming off the top of the market, and they do pretty good. Here's their different results for April. They're 57.2 for the day trading and 46.5. Let's skip ahead a couple months over to October. Let's see, we got 53% for the day trading and 41% for the scalping trading. So these guys are certainly doing well and can easily afford to pay us out a little. Here's a typical thing you kind of see with these type of platforms where they're trying to create an exchange. However, with these guys, I think they're going to do it. Binance, you know, they make $1 billion in volume every 24 hours. Let's go down here to Kraken, the smallest one. They're still over $132 million in 24-hour volume. So what they're saying is there's a lot of money to be made, and we're here looking to make it, and they're looking to come up, and I think that's cool. It's nice to get into a nice team as they're trying to actually do stuff, you know. Creating a third group of traders with the current cryptocurrency derivatives. We talked about that. That's their upcoming next projects. Data cloud used for storage, and then the Gilgamesh trading bot we're all going to be able to take advantage of. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange is what they're looking for. They're going to have trading camps, earnings calculators, Bitalium token, application for businesses and managers and leaders. Pretty cool. And if you want to be a big leader and do a career thing, they have that. They'll give you money for your office, money for your car, all sorts of stuff. And if you're willing to be, you know, dedicate yourself and really get into here and tie arms with them, you know, they will certainly make it worth your while, but you better be willing to get to work, you know. Our products available packages starting at $100. It pays about, you know, up to 1.4% a day and lasts for 180 days. So, you know, you should break even. A lot of people that I've seen have been breaking even within, you know, 4 or 5 months. And then now there's people who are breaking even now who've put in right at the beginning. And so, you know, they basically have a whole bunch of these days where it becomes all profit, right? And if you reinvested, well, then you got more than that. A premium package is what I'm looking to go for, $1,000. I did buy a $100 package just to test the system, and I will be sending in a $1,000 package as soon as my funds get on over here. Got some new capital I'm injecting. Anyway, business, $5,000, and that one lasts for 240 days, all paying about the same amount. Platinum, $15,000, lasts for 270 days, so 1.4% up to, for 270 days, you're going to be in profits for a good long time. Pretty cool. Each package is earning up to 1% profit a day, like we said. Okay, Each package is divided into two parts. This is the part I didn't like. 1/3 goes to the compensation plan. The one cool thing about that is we know where the compensation plan's coming from. We know all the money's coming from. It's not coming from the company. It's coming from right there, right? So all the affiliate structures, all the bonuses, all those little car allowances, all that stuff is coming out of this 1/3. And then this 2/3 is what goes into the trading pool and what you're earning off of. So that's the thing that I didn't really like. I felt like that 1/3 was a little high and is just there for feeding the whales. But the more I looked at it, it wasn't really the case. Still damn profitable. Anyway, moving on. Here's your affiliate program. They have two different things. They got a binary and then a unilevel. So, they have a green side, right leg, left leg. They call it green team, black team. Place people where you want, paid off the lower leg, all that good stuff. If you're into the binary stuff, I welcome come look in here. I know most of us are just into this passive income thing, but, it doesn't hurt to pass your link around as usual and earn some money. If there's different prizes involved, if you want to stake a whole bunch of tokens and get involved into the career side, here's more career stuff. And you can even get so far up if you get the highest level to where you'll be like getting shares from the entire company, which imagine getting shares of, let's not even say Binance. Let's just pick one of these lower exchanges. Let's, imagine getting shares of, say, Huobi or, didn't they have there we go. Or Bitthumb, right? I mean, it would be crazy, pretty insane. So let's go check out the back office here. As you can see, I only put in $100 worth of packages. Right here, I have $100. Just did that, so I haven't earned anything yet. And looking for payments to start pouring in, and I'll keep you guys up to date on all that's going on. But I did want to get involved here and, diversify into Bitalium. I think we're in for a nice, long ride, and I would like to be on board. So there's Bitalium looking to certainly grow this passive income, and this is a great place to do it. We'll get payments start coming in. We could go look at those packages one more time. Okay, so you have this one that I bought, the $100 up to 1.4% for 180 days. This is the one I'm going to be purchasing when my funds come in, $1,000. I'll probably take you with me when I do that. 1.4% for 210 days. Is that what it says? Yep. And that's what I'm going to be hitting, was this $1,000 package here. Looking forward to it. Anyway, like, subscribe, all that jazz. This is Crypto Music. I'm going to catch up with you guys on the flip. Let me know what you think of Bitalium. I know a lot of you guys are probably already in this, and some of you are probably even close to house money. But yeah, I'm really excited about it, and looking to grab me up some of these tokens as well as a whole bunch of passive income. But it will be nice just to get my plan will be to get my initial, reinvest 20%. That's kind of what I do off the bat, and then pull out my initial deposit, and then invest from there, and just keep compounding from there. Get a bunch of Bitalium tokens and work it. All right. Oh, also there's an airdrop for the tokens. If you want to scan a passport and do the KYC, they'll give you 30 tokens. So there you go. Oh, and you can use those for a package. So I think we covered it all. Rock on, guys. Catch you in the next one. Out.